if you have an abundance of jalapeno peppers and you're not sure what to do with them, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I needed an idea to use up my jalapeno peppers. I took a bunch to work, I chopped a bunch up and froze it, and I still have a ton in my garden. So today I am going to make jalapeno popper cloud bread. As many of you know, I can't have bread, and I really do miss it once in a while. I'm not a big bread eater to start with, but it really would be nice to be able to eat like a bacon and egg sandwich or something. And I think I have the perfect recipe for it. I've been researching a bunch of different cloud bread recipes, and I found the one that I think is going to work the best, but I'm changing it up drastically and making it fit. So I am making jalapeno popper cloud bread. And it'll use up those jalapeno peppers, and it'll also give me the bread that I want. And these can be eaten like a biscuit too. You can have them like with chili or chicken wings or something like that as well. So this isn't just for people that are diabetics, because these are really, really delicious. So let me stop talking, go over all the ingredients, and we'll get started. All right, my friends, so here are the ingredients. We have some black pepper, bacon bits. You can use real bacon if you want. I'm just using bacon bits to make it easy. Cream cheese, you will need to let that sit out to soften. Almond flour, some chopped jalapenos from my garden, 3 eggs, baking powder, cheddar cheese, granulated garlic or garlic powder, and some salt. And friends, that is all the ingredients we're going to be using. All right, my friends, so I have 3 ounces of soft cream cheese, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my bacon bits. This is a 2.5 ounce package of bacon bits, and I'm just dumping the whole package in there. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic for taste. We don't need a lot. A little bit of pepper. And just a tad bit of salt, because our bacon bits will be a little salty. So we don't want a ton. Alrighty. Now we're going to go ahead and get this mixed well. There we go. Soften now. Alrighty. Let's just get the excess off of these. The softer it is, the better. I just didn't take mine out that long, just long enough to go take a shower. I should have taken it out earlier, but I totally forgot. But that's okay. All right, let me scrape these off and then we'll finish up. Alrighty, now let's get the sides scraped down. Now we're going to add in a cup of almond flour, a 1/3 cup of chopped jalapenos. I have 3 eggs. Whoa, almost lost the egg. That would have been a mess to clean up. Okay. And then we're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So mix this up real quick. Okay, and now we're going to add in about a cup and a half to 2 cups of cheddar cheese. My hand is a cup. Okay, and we're going to mix that in. And then we're going to end up putting this in the fridge for about 20 minutes or so. And while we're doing that, we're gonna set our oven to preheat at 350. And then just get yourself a large baking sheet. Cover it with some parchment paper. Okay, it's looking good. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge and then we'll come back in about 20 minutes. Alright, my friends, I have my lined pan, my mixture, and then we're just going to spread this out on the parchment paper into like biscuit size. It will spread a little bit, not a whole lot. Alrighty, so we're just gonna, oops, did not want that there. Okay. Almost like a crab cake kind of. There we go. Alrighty. They do kind of look like crab cakes. Alrighty. Go. And you can make these smaller if you don't want to use them for like a biscuit. You just want to make like some bites or something, just a snack one, or just to have as a side with some chili or, you know, something like that. That will work as well. All right. And this gives me just enough to get 3 sandwiches. So I'm trying to like prep my breakfast a little bit, so I'm not spending every single morning in the kitchen fixing breakfast. So I can do a little bit of prep work ahead of time. That would be great. I'm just gonna take a little bit of these other ones. There we go. Alrighty, my oven is pre-lit. It's at 350. I'm going to put this in. We're going to start with about 20 minutes, and then we'll check it to see where we're at. Ended up doing 26 minutes. And look at that. Yum! Oh, they smell delicious. Smell absolutely delicious. Alright, I'm going to let it cool down, and then we'll do our taste test. And I'm going to fix some egg and bacon, turkey bacon, and make a sandwich out of it. Alright, my friends, here they are. Look at that. They look delicious. I'm gonna make an egg sandwich, so I don't want to break one of these open and ruin it. So let me make my bacon and my turkey bacon and egg sandwich, and then we'll do a taste test. Alright, my friends, so here is my sandwich. Let me give you a close-up of what it looks like. I'll add pictures at the very end so you can see. Alrighty, let's do a quick taste test. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, they're so good. So good. Mm-hmm. Friends, this is the perfect solution. You know what? A hamburger on there. Hamburger. Hamburger. Oh my goodness. Hamburger. Oh, wow. And the best part about this is you can just throw these in the microwave real quick and heat them up. So you can freeze them and thaw them out and heat them up. You can throw them in a skillet and just warm them up as well. You can prep them ahead of time for breakfast. Like I said, now that I'm thinking about it with the jalapenos and all bacon bits in there, a hamburger would really be good on this as well. Oh man, there's so many options out there. If you can think of anything, let me know, because I want to try it for sure. But friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!